Hello dear students, Namaste. Myself Vyas Bhumika. Today I will teach you Standard 6 English. In previous video we were watched Unit 9 Desert Animals. Now in this video I will explain you Poem 9 What If. What if means कहीं ऐसा ना हो जाए या तो कहीं ऐसा हो गया तो. Are there times when your mind fills with fear? Means sometimes your mind feels fear or scares. Yes? Have you ever thought, what if something dangerous happened to me or the people around me? Means कभी आपने सोचा है कि कभी कुछ चीज़ें मेरे साथ हुई होगी और मेरे आसपास जो रहते उनके साथ भी हुई होगी. What if the world stops revolving around the sun? Means क्या होगा अगर सन है वो रिवॉल्विंग करना छोड़ देगा. What if the sun doesn't rise in the morning? क्या होगा अगर सन मॉर्निंग में राइज नहीं हुआ तो. ऐसी बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं जिसमें हम पॉसिबिलिटी बता सकते हैं, है ना बच्चों. Here is a poem which talks about some more such what ifs. Last night while I lay thinking here, some what ifs crawled inside my ear. Means last night when I slept thinking about something, some what ifs slowly walking inside my ear and pranced and partied all night long and sang their same old what if songs. Means what if jump and do the party whole night in my ears and sang their same old what if song also. मीन्स यहाँ पे पोएट हमें बता रहे हैं कि जब वो रात को सो रहे थे तो उनको लगा कि कुछ उनके ईयर्स में क्रॉल कर रहा है और वो जो व्हाट इफ है वो उनके कान में जंप कर रहा है और पूरी नाइट उनको परेशान कर रहा है और दूसरे थोड़े ओल्ड सॉन्ग्स भी वो गा रहा है ना बच्चों. तो आप भी कभी कभी ऐसा सोचते होंगे कि कहीं ऐसा ना हो जाए और कहीं ऐसा हो गया तो. नेक्स्ट लाइन इज व्हाट इफ आई एम डम्ब इन स्कूल. मीन्स व्हाट हैपन इफ आई डू नॉट स्पीक in front of the other children or any person in the school. Let's see next line. What if they have closed the swimming pool? Means what happened if the swimming pool was closed? Next line is what if I get beat up? Means what happened if I beat the other person or some person beat me. Means मुझे पीटेंगे या तो मुझे किसी को पीटना पड़ेगा. Next line is what if there is poison in my cup? Means what happened if the poison in my cup? What if I start to cry? Means what happened if I start crying? What if I get sick and die? Means what happened if I ill and died? What if I flunked that test? Means what happened if I failed in that test? मीन्स अगर मैं टेस्ट में फ़ेल हो गया होता तो क्या होता. मुझे दूसरी बार टेस्ट देनी पड़ती है ना बच्चों. What if green hair grows on my chest? Means what happen if green hairs grows on my chest? What if nobody likes me? Means what happen if nobody likes me? Means nobody loves me. What if a bolt of lightning strikes me? Means what happen if the lightning bulb strikes on me? What if I don't grow taller? Means what happen if I don't grow taller? What if my head starts getting smaller? Means what happen if my head getting smaller? Means क्या होगा अगर मेरा सर है वो स्मॉल होना स्टार्ट कर देगा तो? What if the fish won't bite? Means what happen if the fish don't bite me? Means अगर फिश ने मुझे काटा नहीं तो क्या होगा? या तो मुझे काटे ना तो क्या हो सकता है? Now turn your page number 122. What if the wind tears up my kite? Means what happened if my kite was torn? Means अगर विंड की वजह से मेरी काइट फट गई तो क्या होगा? What if they start a war? Means what happen if India and Pakistan start a war? What if my parents get divorced? Means what happen if my parents get divorced? मेरे पेरेंट्स ने डाइवोर्स ले लिया तो क्या होगा? What if the bus is late? Means what happen if the bus is late? So I reached the place late. Yes, students. Yes, very good. Let's see next line. What if my teeth don't grow in straight? Means what happen if my teeth don't grow straight? Means मेरे teeth अगर straight grow नहीं हुए तो क्या होगा या तो क्या हो सकता है? What if I tear my pants? Means what happen if my trouser was torn? Means अगर मेरी पैंट फट गई होती तो क्या हो सकता है या तो क्या होता? What if I never learn to dance? Means what happen if I never learn to dance? Means क्या होता अगर मैं डांस नहीं सीखता? Everything seems well and then the night time what if strikes again? Means everything I swell it. Means मैं सब कुछ निगल गया और लास्ट में नाइट में फिर से व्हाट इफ ने मुझे ये सब याद दिलाया. I hope you all understood this poem 9 very well. Thank you.